See how our second batch is doing. Beautiful, beautiful bread. Here's our third and last batch of our ciabatta bread. Some really nice, lovely bread here. Here's the first two batches. I've got the third batch in the oven right now. I want to open up a couple of these loaves and see what they look like on the inside. So let's take a look at this loaf. We'll cut it from this direction. Nice and crispy, crusty. So you can see that it's got a nice, open, lovely crumb. It's like a lacy crumb. And then this one here, we'll open this one. This is the way you're supposed to slice the ciabatta, lengthwise. So then you would put your fillings in and stack it up nice and thick, and then either serve it that way or cut it this way, and then you'll have crust on the outside of your sandwich. And I know some people say the large open holy crumb, you know, all the fillings fall through, but that's because they're thinking of slicing it this way. And really, when you slice this type of bread, it needs to be sliced lengthwise. So you can see you can put a whole pound of butter in there and it's not going to fall through. Well, I guess a pound would be way too much, but you get my meaning. You could put a lot of butter in those holes and it's not going to fall out. Those are some nice, big, beautiful holes. Here we have a couple of our loaves from our first batches, and they actually look amazing. It was 92% hydration, and it was from a failed batch of my test loaf for all-purpose and bread flour. So this dough is actually half bread flour and half all-purpose flour. Well, look what we've done with a ruined formula. We turned it into some beautiful ciabatta. I'm really happy that I decided to go ahead and take this formula that I messed up and turn it into something really good. So if you mess up a formula, see what you can do with it. You can always make something with it. Flatbread, pita, tortillas, ciabatta. Just try something and see what happens. This ciabatta came out so good. See the beautiful ciabatta? Nice and full of holes, airy, gorgeous. So give it a try. I have the formula in the course, and it's actually a double formula since we put the two doughs together. But you could use half of it, and you could end up making 3 nice loaves of ciabatta instead of 6.